This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Wonderful and oh so cute, you know you will have found home. 2 large living areas, one with fireplace and all open to the kitchen in this wonderful floor plan. 3 bedrooms with updated double shower by rebath and bathroom. Located on a quiet street with a newer roof, gas range, microwave, refrigerator, washer, and dryer remain as well. Move-in ready with shed in the back that remains for storage along with yard equipment to remain for easy maintenance. All you have to do is bring your things and move right in. The plumbing and electrical have all been updated too. For more information, review the details below.